Are you looking for local, reliable and affordable technicians? Do you need residential or commercial technicians? Do you want to hire technicians with years of experience and many great customer reviews? If so, you've come to the right place. No need to spend time finding a handful of different tradesmen, or coordinating their arrival on the project. We have reliable, professional and affordable with many years of experience in our portal, KAZITEK.com. Whether you need electrician, plumbing, water drilling, cleaning services, laundry services, mechanics, construction services, office services, gas delivery services, you are well covered. Sign in now.